Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mini Cooper remote battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, find the small release button on your key fob. Press it firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. Now that the emergency key is out, look inside the fob where the key was. You'll notice a small slot. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Now, go ahead and test your remote by locking and unlocking your Mini Cooper to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.